In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do a voiceover on TikTok. Okay, the process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. The first step is to go ahead and begin creating your TikTok video. So tap the create button there at the bottom. Now I'll just select a 15-second TikTok and just record something real quick. Okay, so once you've recorded your TikTok video, go ahead and tap on the tick mark. Then what you want to do is you can see now on this page, you have a voiceover button there, if you can see that. So tap on the voiceover button, then you would just need to select where you want to begin your voiceover. So let me say for an example over there, then I would just push the record button. Okay, so this is my voiceover, testing. Then you would press the stop button, and then your voiceover will be completed. Then you will just see the save button at the top right hand corner there. Tap the save button, and if I play this, my voiceover, testing. Okay, so this is my voiceover, testing. And as you can see, the voiceover is now onto the TikTok, so you can add your sounds, effects, text, and stickers. Then tap on next, and then just go through the posting process. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.